Last year my wind mirror snapped off. Worst possible place, because these are heavy, solid metal bastards. I thought I'd try and glue it on. Might last 2 minutes. It lasted me 12 months nearly, 10, 11 months. Really expensive glue, cost £1 in town. It's just snapped off, so gonna give it another go, see if I can glue it back on. Most important thing, music. Second most important thing, don't glue your fingers to the bike. Third most important thing, go for a piss before you do it. Yeah, you could spend money and buy a new mirror for 30 quid. You could go and buy clamps to hold it in place for 5 quid. You know, buy proper equipment, or you just spend a quid in a nice local DIY shop. Epoxy glue is really fucking strong. It's also really cheap. You get it in 2 tubes, which are fairly inert, until you mix them together. Just a little squirt is all you need. Yes, missus. That's what the ex used to say anyway. Mix it together, put it on both sides, the bike side and the mirror side. Give it about a minute to get aerated, and then hold it together for about a minute or 2. Normally it's about a minute and it starts to bond. Right now my wrist is seized up because it's fucked. Yeah, dee. Okay, that is now attached. It's not to the point where I want to go for a ride just yet. So what I'm going to do is wait and leave that. So, not too bad. If it stays on. But worst case scenario, it cost me a quid. Actually, it cost me a quid a year ago. Perfect riding weather. Okay, yesterday, glued it on after a fashion. If I gave a shit, I could paint it black with a boot polish or spray. But, yeah, there's a bumpy road around here and it stays on so far. Who knows? Give me 2 minutes or 10 minutes before it falls off again.